I'm Josh Brown. I am the Research and Strategy Lead with MoreBrains Co-op. We're a little consultancy specializing in open research, research infrastructure, and research policy work. A lot of the focus on persistent identifiers has been on international systems and the development of those. And actually, the implementation is happening at the national level. It's in specific policy contexts. It's meeting particular local needs, whether that's research evaluation, impact, reducing bureaucracy. So what we're seeing is the development over the last 3-4 years of a lot of national PID strategies. Australia's always led the way in this space with the national PID services coming through ARDC and the Australian ORCID consortium with AAF. It's actually implementing this in a strategic way, thinking about what the national priorities you're serving are, how you can deliver the most value to researchers and institutions. This is something that's become an international conversation with different countries all over the place coming together and sharing their good ideas and their best practices, and really pushing forward what is possible for people doing research, putting PIDs at their fingertips. I think for researchers, a lot of the time, it's actually just simpler processes. Knowing that something is going to be there, making it easy to share, having greater visibility of what other people are doing, producing, sharing, creating. Also, you're getting a lot of money from a funder. You're doing some really difficult research. Understanding that this is going to be available and discoverable for the long term. PIDs are a key part of that. A PID doesn't mean that the thing it refers to is there forever, but it makes it discoverable, it makes it citable, and it makes it easy to find it again in the future and to share it long term. I would say for institutions, there are a lot of different use cases there, but I think efficiencies, reducing research bureaucracy. If you have this information in an open registry, you can reuse it in any system. You're not asking researchers or expert professional staff to manually enter data into different systems again and again and again, which just feels like a waste of expertise. Also, I think there's a really key thing is understanding what the researchers in your institution are doing. So quite often your research is quite siloed. You're in a lab, you're in a department, you're in a school, and you can't see what's happening just over the campus. So actually, if your people are registering DOIs for data management plans, for their proposals, you're using RAIDs for projects, you can see what is happening in real time almost. And that creates a whole new way of collaborating, working together, and exposing your research to your colleagues and other experts in related fields.